The Free Meeting House on Steadman Street is a New England-style meeting house that was built in 1821, making it the first and oldest existing public building erected in Moncton. With a population of fewer than 1,000 citizens at the time, Moncton's early settlers conceived the Free Meeting House as a temporary place of worship for any denomination while permanent churches were being planned and built. Some religious groups made it their home for as many as 57 years. Almost every religion present over the years in Moncton had its beginnings at the Free Meeting House. Denominations shared and occupied the Free Meeting House since its construction in 1821 until the end of its strictly religious function in 1963. Despite having been designed originally as an omni-denominational place of worship, there's no religious iconography or symbols to be found in the austere Georgian architecture. This ensured that no one religion's influence would be highlighted. Research suggests that Shepherd Johnson Frost, a renowned New England architect who moved to New Brunswick in 1817, may have had a hand in the planning of, if not the building of, the Free Meeting House. This theory was reinforced recently when a descendant of Frost visited the site and proclaimed that the Portsmouth entry was a signature feature of the architect's style. The spirit of religious and secular cooperation is exemplified by the Free Meeting House's 1921 centennial preparations. After a century of remodeling and periodic neglect, the trustees of the Free Meeting House, along with religious groups such as the Seventh-day Adventists and secular groups such as the Flatiron Gang, worked side by side to rejuvenate the structure and the grounds. The Meeting House became the first building in Moncton to have a commemorative tablet during these centennial celebrations. A complete restoration of the Free Meeting House became a City of Moncton Centennial project in 1990. The same year, the Free Meeting House was designated as a National Historic Site. In 1996, the Free Meeting House was designated a heritage property through the City of Moncton Heritage Preservation Bylaw. The grounds of the Free Meeting House contain the oldest burial site in the area, predating the meeting house itself. Most of the founders of the Free Meeting House are interred here, including Hannah and William Steadman, on whose donated land the building sits, as well as original trustees Ichabod Lewis and Solomon Trites. Today, the fully restored Free Meeting House is not only the largest artifact curated by the Moncton Museum, it still serves as a gathering site for secular and religious groups of any denomination, as well as private rentals for weddings, meetings, and special events.